If you don't serve Krishna, then you are immediately culprit, immediately punishable. That is going on. Maya is engaged to punish. Krishna bhuviyadil bhogvancha kare, pasate maya kare japotiya dhare. As soon as one tries to become independent without serving Krishna, that means he is in Maya. He is in Maya. Immediately, Maya is there. It's like as soon as you become a criminal, a thief, immediately you are under the jurisdiction of the police. Immediately. Without it, you may hide yourself for time, but immediately you have become criminal. Similarly, as soon as one is not Krishna conscious, he is immediately a criminal, punishable.